We are going to start the paper number 2B, that is dynamical system, and the first chapter of the paper 2B is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So the definition of eigenvalues and eigenvectors: let A be an n by n matrix. A non-zero vector x belongs to Rn is called eigenvector of A if x is a scalar multiple of x, that is ax is equal to lambda x, then this x is called eigenvector of the matrix A, of the square matrix A, and where this lambda is scalar and this lambda is called eigenvalue of A. So x is said to be eigenvector of A corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to lambda. Okay, so what is the definition? If x satisfies this equation, ax is equal to lambda x, then x is called eigenvector of the matrix A, and lambda is called eigenvalue of A, and x is called eigenvector of A corresponding to eigenvalue lambda. Okay, so this is the definition of eigenvector and eigenvalues of the matrix. So we have to determine the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix, square matrix. So here is the example of that eigenvector. So what is the procedure to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of the matrix A? So this is the procedure. Let A be a square matrix, so we can find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of only square matrix. That is, the given matrix is a square matrix, and x is the corresponding eigenvector of the corresponding eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda. That is, therefore ax is equal to lambda x, because x is the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda of the matrix A. So x is equal to lambda x, and then we can write lambda x is equal to x, and lambda ix, lambda, this identity matrix, we know that I into x is again x. So lambda ix is equal to x, and then take this x as common. So we have lambda I minus a in bracket x is equal to 0. Take this x common, and then for determinant of lambda I minus a is equal to 0, this is the characteristic equation. Determinant of lambda I minus a is equal to 0 is the characteristic polynomial in M and is called characteristic equation of A. And the roots of these characteristic equations are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. The roots of the solution of the characteristic equation of A means the roots of the characteristic of A are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. The root of the characteristic equation. That is how we can find the eigenvalues of the matrix. First, find this characteristic equation, determinant lambda I minus a is equal to 0, and it is a equation in lambda. Then find the values of lambda. That is, find the roots of that characteristic equation. We have the eigenvalues. So this is the procedure. So here the problem: find the eigenvalue of the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. So find first lambda I minus a. So lambda I is what? Lambda a, right? Lambda in then I is what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Square matrix of order 2 by 2. Why we take I as a square matrix of order 2 by 2? Lambda unit matrix of order 2 by 2, because A is of order 2 by 2. If A is of order 3 by 3, then take this value of I as a unit matrix of order 3, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If A is of order 3, so here take I as a unit matrix of order 2 minus A is this given matrix 1, 2, 2, 4. Then multiply by this lambda. Here write lambda. Here write first lambda and then I. And then multiply by lambda to each element. So lambda 0, 0 into lambda is 0, 0 lambda minus 1, 2, 2, 4. And then their subtraction is this lambda minus 1. Subtraction of two matrices is the subtraction of corresponding element. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and lambda minus 4. And then determinant of lambda I minus a is lambda determinant of this, right? This straight line to straight line. And then this is what? This into this lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 4 minus 4. Minus 2 multiplication is plus 4. So minus this into this. So minus 4. And then simplify, multiply these two brackets. We have this. and then lambda square minus 5 lambda. And where to find, this is the now characteristic polynomial. This is called characteristic polynomial. This is characteristic polynomial, lambda square minus 5 lambda. Then take lambda as common, and determinant of lambda minus a is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation now. That is, what is determinant of lambda I minus a? This is lambda in a bracket, lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. This is now characteristic equation. And what are the roots of this equation? So lambda is equal to 0 and lambda minus 5 is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to 5. So 0 and 5 are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. These 0 and 5 are what? Are the roots of this characteristic equation, lambda, determinant of lambda I minus a. And these 0 and 5 are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. Then find the eigenvalues of the matrix A. A is now of order 3. So consider again lambda I minus a. Lambda I minus a. Lambda I is now take a unit matrix of order 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus a as it is. And then multiply lambda to each element. We have this matrix lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda minus a as it is. And then subtraction. Subtraction of these two matrices is the subtraction of corresponding element. Lambda minus 0 is this. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Lambda minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 0 minus 17 plus 17. And lambda minus 8. And then determinant of lambda minus a is determinant of this matrix. Lambda I minus a is this, its determinant. So we have to find the determinant. We know that plus minus plus. So plus lambda into lambda minus 8 in bracket, minus plus 17. So minus 1 into plus 17. Okay, this into this minus this into this. Minus of this element. The second is what? Minus of this minus 1 in square bracket. Then cancel the second column and first row. 0 into lambda minus 8 means 0. Right here 0. Right here 0 into lambda minus 8. 0 into lambda minus 8. Then minus 1 into minus 4. And the last is what? Plus 0. 0 into 17 minus lambda into minus 4. And then calculation is lambda as it is. Lambda square minus 8 lambda. This become plus 17 and minus become plus 1. This right here 0 into lambda minus 8. 0 minus lambda 8 is 0. And this minus 1 into minus 4 it become plus 4, and then this negative sign means minus 4. And this is outside is 0. So whatever may be this bracket, we have the answer 0. And then multiply by lambda in bracket, we have this minus 4. And this is the characteristic polynomial, lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda minus 4. And then the characteristic equation is what? Determinant lambda I minus a is equal to 0. That is lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. And now we have to find the roots of this equation. So this is the cubic equation. This is the equation of degree 3. And therefore this equation has total 3 roots. That is, we have the total 3 values of lambda. If you observe this problem, a is of order 2 by 2. Then we have the polynomial or characteristic equation is of degree 2. Then we have the 2 eigenvalues, 2 values of lambda. Here we have the 3 values because a is of order 3 by 3. So we have total 3 eigenvalues. And what are that? So we have to find the roots of this equation. Lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation. So don't use this procedure, trial and error method. Directly write this. We have to apply the synthetic division. So synthetic division. We have to apply the synthetic division. That is we have to apply the synthetic division, means lambda cube, lambda square, lambda and constant coefficient. So 1 minus 8, 17 and minus 4, these are the coefficient of lambda cube, lambda square, lambda and constant coefficient. And then use the number here 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. and we have to find the number in such a way that this answer is 0. So we take the number is 4, because 4 is the root of this equation. By trial and error we can find which is the root of the equation. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4. We use this. So what is the root of this equation? If you find the f of 1, it is 0. F of 1 is 0. F of 1 is not equal to 0. F of minus 1 is not equal to 0. F of 2 is not equal to 0. So no, so we have to find the approximate root by using trial and error. We have to find the root. So f of 4 is 0. So take 4 here. So how we can find this number? By trial and error method. That is, in the polynomial, substitute lambda as 1, then minus 1, 2, then minus 2, 3, then minus 3, 4, then minus 4. And if you have the answer 0, so here we have the answer 0 at 4, and therefore take here 4 number, and then 1 minus 8. These are the coefficient of lambda cube, lambda square, lambda, and then take this one as it is. Then 4 into 1 is 4 into 1 is 4, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Then 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. 17 minus 16 is plus 1. Then 4 into 1 is 4, and then minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So what is the factorization of this lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 17 lambda minus 4? Is lambda minus 4 into lambda square. This is lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 1. So this is the factorization of this polynomial. What is the first factor? Lambda minus 1 is the first factor. Lambda minus this, lambda minus 4. This is the first factor, lambda minus this number. And the another factor is what? Lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 1. And then root of this lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 1 are this, by using the formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is 4 plus minus, this is root 12 divided by 2. That is 4 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. And that is 2 plus minus root 3. And the eigenvalues of the matrix A are what? Now, the eigenvalues, the roots are what? Lambda minus 4 is equal to 0 implies lambda is equal to 4. And these two roots, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So these are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So we have to find the roots of this equation, just find the roots of this equation. So by using synthetic division, we can find the roots of this equation. So these are the roots, and therefore these are the eigenvalues. So similarly, the next problem is matrix is this 1 1 1 1. So lambda I minus A gives this matrix. Then determinant of lambda I minus A, this into this, lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 1 minus 1. That is, we have lambda, take lambda as common, lambda minus 2. And so determinant of lambda minus A is equal to 0 implies lambda into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0, means lambda is 0 and 2. And so the 0 and 2 are the eigenvalues. So again, the same problem here, find the eigenvalues of the matrix. So by using above procedure, find the eigenvalues of the matrix, and the answer are, this is the upper triangular matrix. So observe this. So this is the upper triangular matrix. And so the eigenvalues of this matrix are the diagonal elements. So we can find the eigenvalues of this matrix by using this procedure, applying this procedure. But if we observe that the eigenvalues, that is, find the determinant of lambda minus is equal to 0, that is the characteristic equation, and find the roots of that characteristic equation. We have that this 1/2, 2 by 3, and minus 1 by 4 as its eigenvalues. So this is the upper triangular matrix. A lower triangular matrix. This is lower triangular matrix, not upper triangular matrix, because this is the diagonal and all the elements above the diagonal are 0. So this is a lower triangular matrix. And if when we say the matrix is upper triangular matrix, if the elements below the diagonal, that is these 3 elements are 0, then we say it is a upper triangular matrix. So this is lower triangular matrix, and note that for lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, the eigenvalues of that matrix are the its diagonal elements. So these are the diagonal elements. So this is the question for MCQ. That is, suppose this is the matrix given, and question is uh, which of the following are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So these are the eigenvalues. Just the diagonal elements are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So this is again the same example on the eigenvalues of A. So lambda I minus A is this. So determinant of lambda I minus is this. So from this matrix, and then lambda square plus 1 is the characteristic polynomial. Then determinant of lambda I minus A is equal to 0 means lambda square plus 1 is equal to 0, means lambda square is equal to minus 1, and therefore lambda is plus minus I. What are the root of minus 1? Plus I and minus I. Root of minus 1 value is what? Plus minus root minus 1 means plus I minus I. So root of minus 1. And the matrix cannot have a complex eigenvalues. So this is the eigenvalues and eigenvalues of the matrix. So we will see the eigenvectors in the next lecture, and some another problems on the eigenvalues and eigenvectors.